What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers out there. Thanks for helping me grow this little teeny tiny channel that I got to an even more little teeny tiny channel. Just want to say happy belated 4th of July to all of you guys out there, to all you veterans out there. Thank you guys for your service. Much appreciated by me, and I'm sure by all the other Americans here. So God bless America. So with that said, today we got some new things for the channel. Let me show you guys. So this little pillar right here, very, very dull and matte and textured. It looks good, it's all right, but it's not what I want. It's not what I'm used to, because on my last Silverado, didn't have that. It actually had the painted pillars, and I had to go ahead and do a good old wrap, but I used almost like a semi-gloss, and it came out really good. So today, let me show you guys. Bam. Got some new items and a lot of flipping around for you guys. Ta-da! So, what is that you say? I'll show you what it is. So those are some brand new pillars that I got. These right here are gloss. These I got off of a channel of another YouTuber that basically did the same thing to his Silverado, and he replaced them. So I'm not good at instruction videos, but I'm gonna do my best to tell you guys what I saw in his. His is a lot more detailed than mine. Mine is just kind of like right now, trying to show you what I did, what I've done, and the process of it. And you know, once I get better at the editing and all that other good stuff, I can do the detail for you guys. But let me go ahead and show you. So you got right here, you got to pop this screw out, and what that does is that's going to go ahead and move this out, so you can pop this out and over. Now, in order to get you to up here, there's another screw, and I believe these are some torque screws. Give me a second. Takes a second, guys. Bear with me. These are a 15. I should have did that. I should have did that before, guys. I don't know why you. Oh man, I'm losing subscribers by the second. So I'm gonna go ahead. And remove this for you guys. Pop it out. Don't worry about it. There's your screw. Boom, right there. So bear with me. I'm gonna pull some of these off one-handed. Screw, baby. Here we go. We're gonna do a little cut scene so you guys can see what happens after. Hold on. Okay, so I got it off, and basically they said just to kind of pry it up. This right here comes up, comes loose. There you go. I don't know if how that sits or what, but it came up pretty quick, pretty easy. Now as for this, basically he said to go ahead and pull it out. It's got 2 tabs in it, and those tabs are gonna break, so it's not going back on. I'm sure you can get the tabs and resell it if you guys want, but let me show you. One right there, one right there. That's it. Those are gonna break. It doesn't break the mount that goes on them. It just breaks the tabs, so you can get new tabs. And that's it. So that's how you take off the front. The back is a little different. Let me show you the back. You got a screw right here on the inside, and then there's gonna be a screw up there where you're gonna have to go ahead and pull that back as well. And we'll go through that process. Got it off. And just like I said, one broke off and the other one broke in. There you go, there's where they pop in. So basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pry it out with like a screwdriver and then grab it with a needle nose, however you wanna do that. So that'll be the next thing. Okay, so might have made a little mistake, but my mistakes will help you get a perfect job done. By me saying that, you gotta watch out. When you put these in, they have these little lips right here. You wanna put those little lips in first, and then slide it in and lock it. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention. I put it in with the lip on the inside, and then when I try to pull it and fix it, the tabs broke, so now I have to buy some tabs for that bad boy so it can sit in there right. But for right now, I will get it for the other side for you guys so you can see how awesome it looks. So let's get to the other side. This is going to be the before and after, guys. Before and after. There's your before. And with an easy little snap of my fingers, it ain't gonna work that way. I'm not good at transitions. You'll see what it looked like. It's gonna take 2 seconds for you guys, but it's gonna take maybe 20 minutes for me. Let's do this. All right, guys, I'm done. Dropping keys, breaking parts, getting parts that are defected. So now I had to call the dealership I bought them from and have them send me out a new one. I have it on for now. I'm not going to take it off because it's going to break the tabs and then it's going to look like crap because it's going to be one crappy one and then the rest is all good. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you the finished product. You can't really tell the defect, but you'll notice a big difference. Look at that bad boy. Look at the shine just goes through. Look at that. If you don't have these on your truck, well, on a Silverado, you need to get them. Look at how much of a clean difference that makes. Look at that. Unless you're into that rugged, nice little look, hey, that's for you. But look at that. It just flows. Gloss, a little bit of gloss there, gloss there. You know, these aren't really gloss, but still, you know, it evens out the truck. For me, nice. So, there we go, guys. Once again, take your time doing these. It's just, these little lips got to go in first before you start pushing in the tabs. I was lucky to sacrifice 2 of the tabs when I pulled them out, but for the most part, there you go. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Something different. I liked it. That's what I wanted. I saw a guy do it on his truck. Hey, it's my preference. You guys are here to watch whether or not you guys want to do it to your truck. Do it or don't. But to me, this is what I like. So I got other stuff coming. I got to do a video on my steps, the amp power steps. I got to do another video. I'm actually getting a black grill, so I'm going with the half of Trail Boss look because I told you I like that Trail Boss looks, but I don't want to bite off the Trail Boss trucks because it's not a Z71 yet. It's also not 4-wheel drive and all that other good stuff. So, but I'm trying to make it look good, my own preferences, and that's it. So tell me what you guys think, whether you like what I did, whether you didn't, what would you do? I'm gonna go ahead and put the part numbers on there for you too if you want them. Pretty much, guys, you like the channel, go ahead and like it, subscribe. I'm gonna make as much content as I can. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep it coming. If I can't, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do my best to try to get at least one a week for you guys, whether it's something, you know, different, whether it's something, you know, just little, oh, I even got some stuff for you for the infotainment system, little tricks that you don't know. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Peace.